Good morning students. This is our third lecture of class 7th computer and we are covering our chapter introduction to MS Excel. So in this lecture we will try to learn about how to reference values from one sheet to another and how to use conditional formatting in our Excel document. So in our previous lecture, we have covered the following topics: Excel introduction, user interface of Excel, how to input data in Excel, general data types in Excel, functions in Excel, and in this lecture, we will try to cover two topics by our practical session. First one is referencing, and second one is we will try to perform a minor project using formulas and conditional formatting. So, starting our this lecture with our practical session. So first we will try to reference values from one sheet to another. How we will do it? For example, we are creating a marks data of class 7th. Class 7th marks statement of PT1 periodic test 1. So serial number, student name, subjects English, Hindi, maths, science, social studies, Sanskrit, computer. We will increase font, out of 20. First we will take data of 6 students. Deepak. we are taking just assume values here. So this is our marks statement. Now suppose for example we have to reference serial number, student name and marks of English from this sheet to sheet 2. Then what we will have to do, we will have to generally use a formula which is equal to sheet from which we have to take value, sheet 1 exclamation mark and cell number. For example, we have to take value from A3, B3 and C3. So A3, then we will put enter. Similarly is equals to sheet 1 exclamation mark B3, enter. Is equals to sheet 1 exclamation mark and we have to take value from C3, enter. Now what we have to do, we have to simply drag this from this position. These are serial numbers, student name, and their marks. If you apply any changes in your previous sheet from where you have reference values here, for example you have changed marks of Aditya from 80 to 20 here, then value automatically changes in the second sheet. The marks will become 20. For example, if you have changed values of Anuj in sheet 1 from 17, you will put 20 here, then marks automatically change in sheet 2. So this is an example of referencing, how you will reference values from one sheet to another. The simple formula is, I am writing formula here, is equal to sheet from where you have to take data, exclamation mark, then cell name. So this is the general formula to perform referencing. So what is the formula? Each and every formula starts with equal to sign, then sheet number. Sheet number stands for the sheet from where you have to take data, exclamation mark, then cell number. Now coming to our first sheet. Now what is the formula to calculate total? The formula to calculate total is equals to sum then we specify the range within the brackets. It is C6 colon I6. Enter. Now to calculate percentage, what is the formula? These marks are out of 20. So the total sum will become 140. So to calculate percentage, you have to divide this total by 140 and multiply it by 100. So is equals to J6 140. Just simply drag it, and then what will we have to do? We have to format cells, percentage, now in this sheet we will apply conditional formatting to find out top 3 students of the class. So what will we have to do? We have to simply select the values, then click on conditional formatting, then click on option top bottom rules, then click on top 10 items. We are not having 10 values here, so just we only require top 3 values. So just write here 3, then click on. You can also change color. For example, I am changing it from pink color to green. Okay. So in this sheet there are 4 values and 2 values are having similar quantity, so it gives us 4 values, 4 top values from 6 values. So in this way we will apply conditional formatting to find out top 10, top 20, top 3, top 4, top 5, any number of items from a fixed quantity of items. So it is our minor project to make some marks statement sheet. So student, this is the end of our this session. Try to complete this or to put more entries in this sheet and try to perform all this on your own. Thank you students.